Welcome to the Griffith Observatory, where the cosmos is free, but the bus ride is a negotiation. Join me on a journey to one of LA's most iconic landmarks, starting with a 45-minute metro ride and an unforgettable, cash-only encounter with the mountain shuttle. Was it worth the fare drama? Absolutely, because what's waiting at the top is a free, sprawling view of Los Angeles and a deep dive into the universe. After the transit adventure, I'm finally here. Notice my shaky camera work. This was my first time shooting a travel video, and I was clearly excited and in a hurry. But despite the crowds, the scale is incredible. Look at the city below, it's a hazy, endless carpet of urban sprawl. No visible edge, even from this high up, just massive LA scale. Right in front of the main entrance, I find two perfect examples of astronomical history. First, the majestic Astronomers Monument. I only recognized Galileo at the time, but this sculpture celebrates 6 of history's greatest minds, including Kepler and Newton. Just steps away, the Equatorial Sundial, an ancient clock that proves time is simply the shadow of a stick, aligned perfectly with Earth's axis. And watch out for the ground. The sidewalk holds the solar system lawn model, a copper plate where every foot equals 20 million miles of space. A reminder of the real scale we're dealing with. Walking past the front, the view just gets better. I had to follow the path up this ramp to the colonnade. Stop for a moment. Look at the sheer quality of this 1930s architecture. It was built to last. From the intricate details on this aged, green copper door to the enormous scale of the building, you can tell it cost a fortune, yet the entry is completely free. This long balcony offers breathtaking, mile after mile views of the sprawling city, occasionally broken up by those beautiful dark green hills. Inside, the crowd continues, leading me right back to the central heart of the observatory, the Rotunda. Squeezing in, I get a view of the Foucault Pendulum swinging down below, a mesmerizing, undeniable proof that the Earth is rotating beneath our feet. And finally, look up. The magnificent Hugo Ballin mural covers the ceiling, telling the story of science and mythology. It's a stunning end to this first part of the visit, wrapping the human, the cosmic, and the historical all in one perfect frame.